Oh my God.
The fight that everyone's been talking about again, which seems to happen.
Hello.
Power bomb.
Of more than anything to have not kicked Bret Hart in the head,
Head scissors.
and what happened.
Bill Goldberg
Head scissors.
never even thought about it. 8 months later,
Goldberg is possessed. 1, 2, he kicked out.
Money in his pocket, but never once thought about costing
Power
$16
bomb.
million.
1, he
I'm
kicked
sorry,
out.
man, but if I really wanted to hurt
Taking
the
a
guy,
beating.
he would never have gotten up. Okay, and I'm no joke. He would never would have gotten up.
1, 2, 3. Goldberg wins.
To me, was one of the most unprofessional wrestlers there was in the business. I mean, for the big Goldberg to be in the Hall of Fame, he hurt everybody he worked with.
He might as well wrestle a real gorilla. He was the most dangerous guy to work with.
I've heard you whining. I've heard all the
He
crap
kicked
on
out.
the TV shows. I've heard the shoot interviews.
Vertical
I've heard
suplex.
just about a damn enough.
And I would have loved more than anything to have not kicked Bret Hart in the head, and what happened.
Bill Goldberg, who kicked me in the head,
Backbreaker.
never thought about it. 8 months later, went over to Saudi Arabia.
Goldberg is
$2 million
possessed.
for a 5-minute wrestling match. And put all that money in his pocket, but never once thought about costing me $16 million when he kicked me in the head.
Yeah, I'm really sorry, man.
Taking
If I
a beating.
Really wanted to hurt the guy, he would never have gotten up. Okay, and I'm no joke. He would never would have gotten up.
I regret that I got injured by a guy that
Vertical
couldn't
suplex.
wrestle. Has no business of being in the Hall of Fame.
Goldberg, to me, was one of
1,
the most unprofessional
2,
wrestlers there was in the
3.
business. I mean, for the big Goldberg to be in the Hall of Fame, he hurt everybody he worked with. He might as well wrestle a real gorilla. He was the most dangerous guy to work with.
I've heard you whining. I've heard all the crap on the TV shows. I've heard the shoot interviews, and I've heard just about a damn enough.
I would have loved more than anything to have not kicked Bret Hart in the head.
Vertical suplex. Power bomb. He kicked out. Backbreaker. Power bomb. Off the turnbuckle. He kicked out. The Frankensteiner. 1. He kicked out. He kicked out. He kicked out. Backbreaker. He kicked out. Off the turnbuckle. 1. He kicked out. Goldberg is possessed. Taking a beating. 1, 2, 3. Goldberg wins. Vertical suplex. He kicked out. Pile driver. He kicked out. Frankensteiner! He kicked out. He kicked out. He kicked out. Goldberg is possessed. He kicked out. One. He kicked out. Vertical suplex. Taking a beating. 1, 2, 3. Goldberg wins. Vertical suplex. Vertical suplex. Goldberg. He kicked out. Pile driver. He kicked out. Vertical suplex. He kicked out. Goldberg is possessed. He kicked out. Pile driver. 1. He kicked out. Power bomb. Taking a beat. 1, 2, 3. Goldberg wins. Goldberg. Backbreaker. Power bomb. He kicked out. Goldberg. He kicked out. He kicked out. Goldberg is possessed. Taking a beat. 1, 2. He kicked out. Off the turnbuckle. One, 2, 3. Goldberg wins.
Let me tell you something, Gino, 'cause you out here talking about a clique. The only click you need to know about is the Harlem Heat and Sister Sherry. See, because what you dealing with here is the brotherhood. It's non-stop from this point on in WCW. We take what we want, and after we take Lex Luger and the Giant, we want the gold sucker. Hulk Hogan, we coming for you, nigga.
I should point out for the record, Stevie Ray, look.
What?